Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you another super early airdrop, and the name of the project is Knidos Labs. They only have 3k followers right now, so you can participate in a very early stage. The best part of this project is they are supported by Avalanche, so I hope we get some good airdrop from this project. So what they built, their tagline is On-Chain AI Fund Manager. So basically, Knidos Labs is a blockchain project building an AI-powered on-chain fund manager that automatically trades crypto using algorithms and verifies every trade with zero knowledge proofs for transparency. If you want more information, then you can visit their website. I'll show you all the steps to join this project. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest videos. And most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest airdrops and crypto news and updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the testnet, first you need to join their waitlist. So I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you can find this website link. So after coming here, first you need to join their waitlist. Simply put your email here, then click on join waitlist and you will be on their waitlist. After that, you need to come to this page. This link is also available in the description. So to join their testnet, first click here, start testnet. Then you need an invitation code to join their testnet. So how can you get the codes? You need to join their Discord. So accept the invite. Then click on complete. Then agree to the terms and then submit. Then on the left side, click on the verify option. Then click on verify, then click on continue, and then again click on continue. Then you need to solve this captcha and done. Then go to the chat section and here you can chat with others, and also you will find invitation codes. So here, as you can see, people share their codes. So copy any of these codes, then come back here and paste the code, then click on validate. And done. Next, it asks you to connect your wallet, so click on connect wallet, then choose MetaMask, then click on connect. Then you need to verify your wallet, so click on verify, then confirm the request and done. Next, set your username and done. So finally you are on the main airdrop page. So if you scroll down here, you will find lots of tasks which you need to complete. So first, here is the daily check-in option. So you need to come every day to claim it. And here you can see how much points you earn by completing tasks. Next, here you need to complete these basic tasks such as adding your email, your Discord, your Twitter account, etc. Next, click on the game section. Here you can play games, and for that you can earn points. Also, here you will find the add funds or faucet option, which shows coming soon right now. Then here you have the leaderboard section. You can see top rankers and you can track your ranking. And then here is the referral section. You can generate your referral link and share that link with others. So to generate links, you must complete a few onboarding tasks. So go to your profile section. Then connect your X account. And then connect your Discord as well. So now after some time you can generate referral codes. So make sure to stay active here and complete all tasks. I'll provide all the updates about this project, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. So please like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.